We'll guide you through how to fix an Android phone not turning on. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really frustrating because you're wanting to go and use your phone, make a call or use an app and access some data on there, and you're unable to. It's just black and you can't turn it on. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss the method that goes and solves the problem for you. And you shouldn't go and lose your data with the methods in this video. It should all be there, and hopefully we're going to get this resolved and you're going to be able to go and use it again. So without any other further ado, let's get started. So what you want to do is come onto your device and go and find the side button. Should be on the right here, as you can see just below the volume rockers. Now what you want to do is go and tap and hold this down. Within around 15 seconds, hopefully it should go and see the boot screen and it's going to go and turn on. So what you want to do is just go and keep it held down. Now, if you go and find after that time then passes, nothing goes and happens. What we're going to try doing is you want to try grabbing the charging cable for it. And you can try plugging it in, charging it, as it could just go and be out of battery and out of charge. So let it go and charge for a good couple minutes really before trying to do anything, just to make sure it's got some charge in there. And then what you can do is you can actually try the next steps with the cable plugged in. It doesn't matter. Now, what we're going to try doing is a button combination. Often this can go and solve the problem. So we can try doing a restart in case it's sort of glitched and it's just stuck, turned off. So what you can try doing is you want to go and find the volume rockers and the side button here. Now, what you want to try doing is tapping and holding the side button and the volume down button together. So what you can do is you can tap and hold these and start holding them together like so. Now, go and wait a good 10 to 15 seconds. Keep it held down like so, and hopefully you should go and find it goes and boots, as you can see. Hopefully that then goes and solves the problem, and it's going to go and start as it usually would, and you're going to be able to go and use it again. So you can just go and wait. Now, if you find that it doesn't work after holding them down for 15 to 20 seconds or so, what you can try doing is a different combination. So instead of holding the volume down and side button, try holding the volume up, increase the upper one, and the side button together, and do the same thing, hold them together, and then hopefully you'll go and have the boot screen. And when you see it, release, and now it's going to go and start. Then you should be able to go and use it, and hopefully the problem's now solved.